everyone, welcome to my channel Astrological Discussion. This is your host Ovi. From today onwards, I'll read a chart. I'll discuss how to read a chart through another astrological method. Yes, I am talking about Naadi Astrology. I use Naadi method to predict a chart, to foretell the future of a native. And what are the rules? How to read it through this method? My topic is this. So, what are the rules behind Naadi Astrology, Naadi Astrology? Why we should use this method to predict a chart? If we all want to predict chart with accuracy, our prediction must be precise and accurate. We all want this. Those who are astrologer, those who are interested in astrology, they always want to predict chart with ease and with accuracy. So what are the rules here and what we need to see to read a chart through this method? First of all, we need to know the signification, the karakatas of the planets. In every astrological methods, we need to know the karakatas, the signification of the planets. The signification of the planets here in Naadi Astrology are bit different from the aspect of, as we know in our traditional astrology. They are a bit different. So the fundamental thing is we need to know the karakatas of the planets. Second, the degrees play a vital role here in Naadi Astrology. And we take into consideration the conjunction created, the conjunction made by the planets, and how to assess the state of the planets. And one more thing, very vital thing is the key factor of Naadi Astrology is progression of the planets, progression of all the planets. But we need to see the progression of two major planets, Jupiter and Saturn, with utmost care to predict the big events of life of the native. Jupiter here is called Pranavaya. Jupiter is called Pranavaya for the native, and Jupiter here in Naadi Astrology is the native himself, and in male chart, and in female chart, Venus is the native herself, but Jupiter is the Pranavaya, and Saturn signifies karma. So we see karma of a native through Saturn. Today we will know how to arrange the planets according to their degrees. Degree wise, we will learn how to put the planets in order. So we will see it with a chart here. Friends, this is a chart of a male native. The ascendant is Gemini. We have to go step by step if we want to analyze it through Naadi Astrology. What are those steps? First, we have to see whether planets are making any conjunction with other planets or not. How they make connection? There are different ways in which they make connection with other planets. First, we call it 159 connection. So we are going to see is any planet is making any connection with other planets through 159 connection. What is this 159 connection? If we count it from here as it is the ascendant himself, Jupiter, and it is at 0 degree. So Jupiter, we will count it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So Jupiter here 1, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a connection of Jupiter with Mars through 1, 5 connection, and again 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 connection Mars. So Jupiter is making connection with Mars and Mercury through 159 connection. Now we have to arrange it degree wise. Jupiter is at 0 degree, Mars is at 11 degree, and Mercury is at 7 degree. So how the main thing is, the key point is, we have to arrange it properly. This is the key point here. So how we are going to put it in order? Jupiter first, as it is at 0 degree. Then we will take Mercury, then Mars. So this is 159 connection. Now 7-7 connection. We also take into consideration here in Bhigu Nandinari 7-7 connection. Again, if we count it from here or here, in whatever house, Jupiter here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Jupiter is directly making connection through 7-7 connection with Saturn and Venus. But how we are going to arrange it? Jupiter is at 0 degree, so Jupiter first, then Venus, and then Saturn, which is at 14 degree. So Jupiter and Venus Saturn conjunction through 7-7 connection. And then there are 2 more connection, 2-12 connection and 3-11 connection. So what is 2-12 connection? Here Jupiter 1, 2, and from here, if we count it from Sun, from 11th house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So Jupiter is at 11 from Sun. So Jupiter and Sun is making Sun is here. So if we count it from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Jupiter and Sun are making connection through 2-12 connection. Jupiter plus Sun. This is 2-12 connection. Now 3-11 connection. If we count it from here, 1, 2, 3. So Moon here, and from Moon there is Jupiter at 3. From this house, there are ahead of Moon, here is Jupiter. 2 house ahead, here at 3 house. 3rd house from Moon, here is Jupiter. So Jupiter and Moon are making connection through 3-11 connection. But here Moon is 5 degree, Jupiter is at 0 degree. So again Jupiter and Moon. Here Mercury also making 3-11 connection with Moon. But how we are going to arrange it? Moon is at 5 degree, Mercury is at 7 degree. So Moon, we have to put Moon first, then Mercury. They are making 3-11 connection. So we have a bunch of connection here. First 159 connection, then 7-7 connection, then 2-12 connection, then 3-11 connection. And what are the strength of all these connection? 159 connection, we deem it as its strength 100% strength. So they are making conjunction with 100% strength. 7-7 also is deemed as, or making this connection is about 90% strength. This connection is also 90%. If we assess it, it will give 90% strength. 3-11 connection, it a bit lesser strength, that is 75% strength. So that's for today. In my new video, we'll talk about more of this Bhigu Nandi Nadi. Till then, bye.